What do you wish for me, Mama Quaba, Didi Kai? Na, ye be didi, dear, your mom pie.
Didi can't wonder that.
Sir, all right. Some more bomb pie, dear, and you'll serve you. Actually, this is a very special soup. It's called vegetable groundnut soup. I believe you're going to enjoy it. Let me see if you can look at me. Honey, would you mean himself a numpty? Usway, memo, chicken and half fish. Ipia. I'm going to get special vegetable groundnut soup. Special one. But don't be down there.
It's okay. Marfo, it's okay. On something else, I'm good.
And I'm a man.
What's the meaning of this? Irene, way over friend saying.
Oh, honey, a special vegetable groundnut soup.
Hey, pure embarrassment. Irene, Irene, can't you play while you go at the issue? Irene, huh? Now we're school feeding crime, call I already. Irene, you cut tomatoes. Not as a demi mammy kind and I want my jedi. What's your professional caterer?
Honey, also one can say a Ghana for Nibby as you want to Ghana. Come in and look at Nibby.
Jerry! Stop it! Harry, professional caterer and what?
Me, you book with you. You book with you.
But for what do you mean? Yes, why? What I say, what's all we about? Don't touch me. Irene, don't touch me.
Honey, if you taste it, Ube who said the value is the same. Yanyamagum ni yedigo ni is the same.
Start away.
Medibi,
hey!
You see the
don't test my temper.
You see the difference when you taste it.
I'm telling you. Irene, don't touch me. Irene, when you get over, Irene.
I swear. When you get me the others, me you ain't get to home. And if I mean something I say, I'm here special, honey. Honey, baby. My God. Hey. Google disappoint me. Google menu. Me type a groundnut soup. And away in Zimbabwe for the NMT. And then got here. We look as if we turn on the page here. Miss Mentina told me to do for you. My fuck can afford you, I'm sure.